Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to teach you about how to install Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2016. So friends, if you want to see the host name, just right click on this PC and go to the properties, and you will see this is a server machine where is no any domain controller is configured. Okay, and before installation of ADDS, first of all we want to know about ADDS and what is ADDS and why it's used. The ADDS is basically used in Microsoft Windows Server operating system. ADDS play a very important role in server machine for create a centralized management. ADDS is a backbone of the server machine. Whenever you install ADDS in any server machine, that machine called as a domain controller. That DC machine will manage all server and client machine in your network. Without AD you cannot create any centralized management. So friends, ADDS provide the method for sharing directory data and making this data available to network users and administrator. ADDS store information about user accounts such as names, password, phone number and so on, and enables other authorized users on the same network to access this information. So friends, whenever you install ADDS, your machine will create a domain controller. Okay, but that machine is not a domain controller, that is a workgroup machine. So there are basic steps when you install ADDS. First, download Windows Server operating system. I have already downloaded the operating system. Number 2, install operating system in your hardware. I have already installed Windows Server 26 in my operating system. Static IP address configure in IPv4 and IPv6 which you required. Change the correct host name. I have already changed the host name. If you want to see, you will see the host name win-srv 2016 ADDS, and install ADDS role from server manager. And after install ADDS role, then you need to configure Active Directory domain controller, Active Directory domain services. Now friends, this time we want to configure the IP address first. Let's go to the start, open run command and type ncpa.cpl and enter press, and you will see the LAN card. Just right click and properties, select TCP/IPv4, go to the properties, tick use the following IP address and type your IP address which you want. I am going to class A IP address. Type your default gateway. Type preferred DNS server and go to the advanced DNS tab. In DNS suffix for this connection box, type your domain name. Friends, my domain name is testdomain.local, and just OK and just OK and just close. Now your static IP address has been configured friends. Now go to the server manager. I am going to open server manager. Just refresh the dashboard. Now friends, just click on add roles and features, select next. You have to select by default role based or feature based installation. Just click on next. Friends, you will see the host name, IP address and operating system. I am using standard evolution edition 2016 server and my IP address is 10.0.0.10 and our host name is win-srv 2016 ADDS. Just click on next. Now friends, you have to select ADDS Active Directory domain services. Just check mark and click add features. Now ADDS has been selected. Just click on next. Just click on next. Just click on next and install ADDS role. Now friends, ADDS role has been installed. Just click on close and you will see under the dashboard, just click on ADDS. You will see a more option just click on, and under this notification wizard just go to the action, and you have to see promote this server to a domain controller. Just single click. Now friends, the first deployment configuration wizard is open. That is a fresh operating system and fresh server, and don't no any existing server and no any existing domain. Now we want to create a domain controller, so you have to select third option, add a new forest, and type a root domain name. So my domain name is test domain.local. Just click on next. Now friends, you can increase your function level. There is a lot of function levels are available. If you have existing server in Windows Server 2008 function level, you have to select. Otherwise there is no any function level, you have to select by default. Now friends, whenever you install activity domain service, DNS will install automatically, and that server as a global catalog. Now friends, you have to type your DSRM password. I type the DSRM password, just click on next. Now friends, click on next. Now friends, you will see the NetBIOS domain name. If everything is okay, then click on next. Friends, that is a database directory where all the database activity database will be stored in by default C drive location in Windows NTDS folder. Okay, if you want to change the path, just click on browse option and select your folder. Your directory will be changed. Otherwise all the activity database will be stored in by default path. Okay, if everything is okay, then click on next, and you will see the review. After read the review, just click on next. Now friends, all prerequisites checks pass out successfully, and if you want to install activity domain service, just click on install. Now it is under process for installation. Friends, your activity domain service has been installed, and just click on close. Again click on close. Just cancel the wizard and close the server manager. Now friends, your server is going to restart. And friends, after restart we will check ADDS is installed or not in the server machine. Now friends, enter your log on the screen by the press of Ctrl Alt and Del button. Friends, you will see the domain name and your user account name. Just type your password of your administrator account. Just right click on this PC and go to the properties, and friends, you will see the domain name. Now friend, you will see the domain name. My domain is configured done testdomain.local, and that machine called as a domain controller. So friends, I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.